is me, Moo, and today we are going to make pancakes. Since you already know how to make pancakes, we're doing it the professional way. Let's begin! When we're cooking this pancake recipe, we're going to be using this special pancake cooker. What you're going to need is an egg with a measuring thing. What's it called?
Measuring cup.
Giant measuring cup.
Giant measuring things that you're going to need is a whisk. And since we're making fancy stuff, we need some fancy baking and pancake mix, which is gluten-free, just make it extra fancy, and canola oil for that special ingredient. And our syrup is maple, just to make it even more fancy, with Caro. So let's begin the cooking. How much is in that giant spoon of yours?
This is a measuring cup, and it's 1 cup.
So we put 1 cup of our gluten-free powder in there. Next step, we crack the egg open, and we plop it in. Plop. Then we use our third ingredient. Actually, he washes his hands. We use the canola oil, like granola, but with the C at the very beginning, with a spoon, a pink measuring spoon, which is 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna pour 1 teaspoon of canola oil into there. Tablespoon of canola oil.
We're going to need this for later when we actually cook the pancakes.
Yep.
In the meantime, we take this and get 3/4 cup water.
3/4 of water coming out from our new, cool, fancy, expensive fridge. Now that it's finished, we're going to move on. Then we use our whisk as we pour the water in. Then we watch as it turns into pancake batter. Which, as you can see, is very measured. And we continue pouring in the water. Then we continue mixing.
Oftentimes, you don't need all the water.
Yeah.
It makes it too runny.
Yep. Now you're going to wait for this to end so we can move on to our next step.
Maple syrup.
So we are now switching the maple syrup. This is the special way of making even more syrup by using less syrup, which makes no sense whatsoever, but it works.
Maple syrup is often really expensive when it's pure.
Yep, that's why it's fancy.
So you just got to use a little bit and add it.
This is Lily. She's taking notes of what's in pancake.
I'm not taking notes. I'm just writing a little bit more to my nature journal because I found all of these cool stuff.
Okay.
So,
Continuing with the cook show.
Now we have lots of syrup.
A lot more than before.
A lot more than before.
Then use a fork to mix it all up.
And then you can warm it for about 20 seconds in the microwave, and it's delicious.
Yep. Then we can move on to the next step. Once the microwave is finished. This is a fancy microwave. Everything's fancy in this house.
and guys, during this video, I just got the hiccups, so you might hear a little bit of hiccups in this video.
Okay.
Can you turn this on?
Turning it on for the heat to
Right in
begin.
between. All right, about 350.
Now, let's watch as this batter gets poured onto this super amazing thing, like the special pancake cooker.
Lily, can you get Noxie and tell him to stop barking?
How much is in that giant spoon of yours?
This is a measuring cup, and it's 1 cup.
So we put 1 cup of our gluten-free powder in there. Next step, we crack the egg open and we plop it in. Plop. Then we use our third ingredient. After he washes his hands, we use the canola oil, like granola, but with the seed at the very beginning, with a spoon, a pink measuring spoon, which is 1 tablespoon.
Dad, look. I got a Noxie. Found a Noxie pop.
So we're gonna pour 1 teaspoon of canola oil into there.
Tablespoon.
Tablespoon of canola oil.
We're gonna need this for later when we actually cook the pancakes.
Yep.
In the meantime, we take this and get 3/4 cup water.
3/4 of water coming out from our new, cool, fancy, expensive fridge. Now that he's finished, we're going to move on. Then we use our whisk as we pour the water in. Then we watch as it turns into pancake batter. Which, as you can see, is very measured. And we continue pouring in the water. Then we continue mixing.
Oftentimes, you don't need all the water.
Yeah.
It makes it too runny.
Yep. Now we are going to wait for this to end so we can move on to our next step.
Maple syrup.
So we are now sipping the maple syrup. This is the special way of making even more syrup by using less syrup, which makes no sense whatsoever, but it works.
Maple syrup is often really expensive when it's pure.
Yep, that's why it's fancy.
So you just gotta use a little bit and add it.
This is Lily. She's taking notes of
I'm
what's
not,
in pancake.
I'm not taking notes. I'm just writing a little bit more to my nature journal because I found all of these cool stuff.
Okay,
So,
continuing with the cook show.
Now we have lots of syrup.
A lot more than before.
A lot more than before.
Then use a fork to mix it all up.
And then you can warm it for about 20 seconds in the microwave, and it's delicious.
Yep. Then we can move on to the next step. Once the microwave is finished. This is a fancy microwave. Everything's fancy in this house.
and guys, during this video, I just got the hiccups, so you might hear a little bit of hiccups in this video.
Okay.
Can you turn this on?
Turning it on for the heat to
Right in
begin.
between. All right, about 350.
Now, let's watch as this batter gets poured onto this super amazing thing, like the special pancake cooker.
Lily, can you get Noxie and tell him to stop barking?
Before we put the pancakes on the dish, or at least the special pancake cooker,
We got to put some oil on it so it can be a little bit smoother so the pancakes can cook faster and get a little bit more boiled.
also so they can, also so they don't get stuck to the thing, which everybody knows nobody wants that to happen.
Or else your pancake mix will stick to it and it will never come off, basically.
burned.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you don't want a burned pancake. Nobody does.
Yep, which is why this cooking video is professionalized. Blim, blim, blim.
Feel, make sure it's nice and hot.
Is-
Hush! Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Sorry, that's our dog. No, see, he's a barker.
Ellie, watch out. Don't get close to this.
Is this corn syrup?
Yep.
Can I have some?
Nope. We've got some mixed with maple for your pancakes, okay? All right.
Corn syrup is really tasty.
Everybody ready? It's ready. You can kind of tell it's a little smoky.
Yep.
You can see the oil moving on its own.
Pour the pancake mix on top. Then wait for a bit. Let it cook. Then after it cooks the front side, you gotta flip it over. But we're not gonna show it.
Yep, we're
So
gonna wait
far
till they're
yet.
finished.
Yes.
That's when we'll have our taste tester up.
Yep.
So
And we eat and eat and eat.
we'll be
Yummy!
right back.
So now we're going to taste test it, which
Right,
is
taste
a
test
big
it.
thing. So we can just take the pancake, eat it, yum.
Look,
And-
syrup.
And otherwise, we could also do
Anybody want peanut butter on
pancakes.
theirs?
Let me show you.
Anybody want Nutella on theirs?
See, because we do have a
No, you
pot.
just want syrup.
Yep.
He's very cute.
And for the taste test,
Oh my goodness.
Does the Nutella have the sticky?
Okay. After
Nutella
the
is
homemade
chocolate and hazelnuts.
I like Nutella.
Are they the little
homemade
red things?
No, there's no bread in there.
Yum, yum,
Time for the taste
yummy.
test.
Aw, that would be great though.
Everybody
Taste test
cut
time.
their pancakes.
Taste test time. How does it taste, kids?
I haven't tasted it yet.
Let me know if I did good
Yeah.
or if I did poorly.
Great.
I did great. Awesome.
First food taste tester said it tastes good. Now time for a second taste tester.
Okay.
So, what do you think?
That is amazing.
Did I do awesome?
And she agrees, amazing. And now it's time for my turn. Nice, delish.
Daniel agrees.
Yep. That's the end of the show, and hopefully we'll get to see you in episode 2. So, yeah, goodbye.